In this video, we will learn how to solve some linear equations. See here, we have a fractional thing on left side and on right side we have an expression like this. Okay, 2x plus 5 all divided by 3 is equal to 3x minus 10. See here we have a 3 in the denominator. So first let us take it to the right side. Okay, here it is divided by, right? When it moves to the right side, it will become multiplied by. Okay, so we have 2x plus 5 on right side and this 3 is going to the right side. So 3 into 3x minus 10. Now in the next step, we have to just open the bracket. That is, we are taking that 3 into the bracket. So left side is same, 2x plus 5 equals 3 into 3, that is 9x. Then 3 into minus 10, that is minus 30. Now we have to combine the terms containing x together. Okay, see here we have a 9x. Okay, let us take it to the left side. So 9x is positive here. This negative symbol is for this 30, not for this 9x. So actually 9x is positive here. When it is taken to the left side, it becomes negative. So 2x minus 9x. Then here we have plus 5 equals, on right side, we have taken this 9x to the left. So negative 30 is left here. Now 2x minus 9x, we are having this, right? So what is 2 minus 9? 2 minus 9, see a single negative sign, we can split it like 2 plus minus 9. We are adding a positive and a negative number. Bigger one is negative, so the answer is negative, and then subtract smaller from bigger. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So 2x minus 9x is minus 7x. Minus 7x plus 5 equals minus 30. In the next step, let us take this positive 5 to the right side. Positive 5 when taken to the right side become negative. So minus 7x is equal to minus 30 and this is going there, so minus 5. Now what is minus 30 minus 5? Here also we have a negative sign. We can split it as plus minus. Okay. So actually we are adding two negatives. So the answer is also negative and we have to just add the number. So it is minus 35. Now what we have is minus 7x is equal to minus 35. So x is equal to, see we have to take this minus 7 to the right side. Minus 7 is multiplied with x here. Okay, minus 7 is multiplied with x on left side. When it is taken to the right side, it will become division. So minus 35 divided by minus 7. Negative divided by negative, that is positive. 35 divided by 7, that is 5. So x is equal to 5 is the solution of this equation. This is our second question. Here a minus 8 by 3 is equal to a minus 3 by 2. So here we have a 3 on denominator. Here we have 2 on denominator. So let us take this 3 to the right side and 2 to the left side. So here 3 is divided by, when it moves to the right side, it will become multiplication. And here also same, 2 is divided by on right side. So when it moves to the left side, it will become multiplication. So let us do that. Okay, so 2 into, like that it moves 2 into a minus 8 is equal to 3 into a minus 3. Cross multiplication. Next, we have to open the bracket. 2 into a. 2a, 2 into minus 8, minus 16 equals 3 into a. 3a, 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9. Now we have to combine the terms having a together. See here we have a 3a. We are going to take it to the left side. So 2a minus 3a. Here we have minus 16 equals minus 9. 2a minus 3a is minus a because 2 minus 3 is same as 2 plus minus 3. Adding a positive and a negative, bigger one is negative, so the answer is negative. Then subtract 3 minus 2, 1. That is why 2a minus 3a became minus a. Then we have minus 16 equals minus 9. In the next step, we have to take this minus 16 to the right side. So what we have here is minus a. So minus a is equal to minus 16 going towards right. It will become plus 16. So here we have minus 9, then plus 16. Here we are adding a positive with a negative number. Positive is bigger, so the answer is also positive. Then just subtract 16 minus 9, that is 7. So minus a is equal to 7. Then what is a? Just give this negative symbol here. So it is minus 7. This is the solution of this equation. Now this is our next question. See here. This is a long equation. We have x minus 2x plus 2 minus 16 by 3x plus 5 equals 3 minus 7 by 2x. See, the terms containing x is scattered over here and there, right? So first of all, let us combine the terms having x. Okay, first let us combine the terms having x on left side. Here x minus 2x. So 1 minus 2. See here with x we have 1 as the coefficient. So 1 minus 2 is what we have to do now. This minus we can split as plus minus. So 1 plus minus 2. Actually adding positive and negative. Bigger one is negative. So the answer is negative and then just subtract. So minus 1. So it is minus x. Then here again we have a term containing x. So minus 16 by 3x. Next, here we have negative 7 by 2x. When we take it to the left side, what will happen? This negative will become positive. So plus 7 by 2x. See here we have a 2. Here we have 5. So positive 2 plus 5, that is plus 7 on left side equals. We have already taken this term having x to the left side. So only 3 is left here. Okay. Now this is the equation. Again, we can combine the terms having x, right? See, here we have 3 terms having x. One term is not having any fractional coefficient. See, no fractions are attached to it. But the second and third, we have fractions as the coefficients, right? Here minus 16 by 3 is there. Here plus 7 by 2 is there. So first let us combine those two. Okay, so when we are going to combine these two, for that we have to find what is minus 16 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Okay, now here we have different denominators, 3 and 2. Okay, we have to add them. So first of all, let us take the LCM of 3 and 2. The LCM, we know there is no common factors. So 3 into 2, 6. So minus 16 by 3, we need the denominator as 6. That means here we have multiplied by 2. The numerator also we have to multiply by 2. So it will become minus 32. Then comes 7 by 2. We need the denominator as 6. That means we have to multiply by 3. Numerator also we have to multiply by 3. So it will become 21. So we have to combine these two. We have to add. Okay, let us check what happens. So when we add minus 16 by 3 plus 7 by 2, minus 16 by 3 is same as minus 32 by 6, then plus 7 by 2, that is plus 21 by 6. Okay, see here we have same denominators, That means we can just add the numerators together. Okay, so it will become minus 32 plus 21 all divided by 6. In the numerator part, we are adding a negative with a positive number. Negative is bigger, so the answer should also be negative. Now, 32 minus 21, that is 11. So, minus 11 by 6 is what we have as the coefficient here. Understood? We have solved minus 16 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Okay. Here we have already a minus x. Then here what we got, minus 11 by 6. Minus 11 by 6 x. Okay. Then plus 7. Let us take that positive 7 to the right side. Okay. So it will become negative there. So 3 minus 7. Now here we have minus x, minus 11 by 6x equals 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Right? We have 3 minus 7, that is 3 plus minus 7. So bigger one is negative, answer is negative, then just subtract 7 minus 3, that is 4. Now here also we have two terms having x. So here the coefficient is minus 1 and here it is minus 11 by 6. So we have to find out what is minus 1 minus 11 by 6. Here we can take what? This cross multiplication. Simply cross multiply. 6 into minus 1, that is minus 6. Then minus 11 is there, all divided by 6. Minus 6 minus 11, that is minus 6 plus minus 11. Adding two negatives, the answer is also negative. Now 6 plus 11, that is 17. So minus 17 by 6 here. So what we have here is minus 17 by 6x is equal to minus 4. See, on both sides we have negative sign, right? We can cancel. Simply we can cancel that negative sign on both sides. Okay, so what we have is 17x by 6 is equal to 4. In the next step, let us take this 6 to the right side. Here 6 divided by, when it is moving to the right side, it will become multiplication. So what we have is 17x is equal to 4 into 6. That is 24. Then we have x. We have 17. We have to move that 17 to the right side. That is 24 by 17. That is the value of x. That is the solution. Hope all of you understood. Thank you.